Good morning, children. We are doing chapter 8, that is earthquakes. So up to the measurement of earthquakes we have done. Now we will start with the distribution of earthquakes. So the main earthquake belts are the Circum-Pacific belt, then Mid-Atlantic belt, then Mid-Continental belt, and then interpolate belts. Clear, children? So the Circum-Pacific belt, if we talk about, so it extends in the west from Alaska to Kuril, Japan, Marina, and the Philippines. And then on the eastern side of the Pacific, if we talk, it follows the west coast of North America and continue southward along Peru and Chile. Then the mid-Atlantic belts, the sea floor spreading is the main cause of earthquake in this belt. The rift valleys of East Africa and the Red Sea. Then mid-continental belt, this zone you can say that this earthquake belt extends along the Alpine mountain system of Europe, North America, through Asia Minor, Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan to the Himalayan mountain system including Tibet, the Pamir, then Altai and the mountains of the China, Myanmar and the eastern Siberia. Then we talk about the interplate seismicity. So almost most of the world seismicity occur along plate boundaries, all of you know. And the zone of earthquake in East Africa, the South United States and the Peninsula India are more striking. Then we talk about the consequences of earthquakes. The first one, it is a building collapse. So all of you know that when earthquakes are there, so lot of destruction, lot of collapsion of the buildings, okay, and there is a danger from being hit by the falling glasses also and the debris in the greater you can say. Then building knocked off their foundation. It's not only the collapse of the building, but many times we are not able to identify whether at some time there was building formations or not. So totally it is a damage. Landslidings, building can be damaged when the ground gives way, okay. This can be in the form of the landsliding down a hill, clear, in the young-fold mountains like Andes, Rockies, Alps, Himalayas. Earthquakes results in true landsliding which damage the human settlements also. Then fire often break out following earthquakes, deformation of ground surfaces, damage and destruction of human establishments such as building, railway lines, roads, bridges, dams, towns, cities, loss of human cattle lives, then fires, floods, landsliding, disturbance in the underground levels, clear? Loss of property, not you can say that there is a lot of damage to the building, roads, railways, dams, bridges, etc. And damage to the property is more serious in the areas of unconsolidated materials such as alluvium, clear, artificially filled grounds and depressions, clear. Then loss of human lives, no doubt that many people they lost their life also. It has been estimated that 15,000 people are killed every year due to this earthquakes, you can say. So this is the table which will be showing you the earthquakes and their magnitudes on the Richter scale. Next it is your flash floods. Many a time under the impact of severe earthquakes, the dams and the embankment develop fissures which may become the cause for the flash floods. Then tsunamis. The waves traveling through the ocean and sea water result into high sea waves which are known as the tsunamis. It is a Japanese term. Then rise and subside of ground surface. So many times the land rises or subsides into the weaker zones. Constructive effects of the earthquakes may result in the fissure opening for the geysers, you can say, or hot springs, and sometimes they result in the formation of the coastal submergence and change the coastal forms, giving the formation to the waves. Okay. Then earthquake forecasting. Making a forecast about the occurrence of an earthquake in a region, place and time is still a very difficult proportion. I already talked to you. Okay. So still we are not able to find out before that earthquake may be occurring. Now children, this is the, you can say that fact file, the December 26, 2004, when the tsunami it took place. So go through this. A meaning of tsunami is also given here. Main causes also given there, and dividing the Indian plains also. Clear? Just go through this fact file. Clear? Question can be asked from here. This is also clear. So this fact file, please go through properly. Thank you children.